this is how it'll go. The other side. That's going in. I want to cut out, so I want to cut out here instead. So we'll go ahead and do this real quick. Like I said, I've never done this before, any of this stuff, so this is just, you got to think before you get too far. These cut off here. What I'm doing is I'm going to end up making a closure. I want to check fitment, of course, but yeah, I'm going to be making a closure on this thing. For the moment, I want to just cut these off. I believe this is the one I'm going to save. And hopefully I can do a good job of it. Okay. Yeah, it's right on the money. It's a little bit over on this side, but that's okay. I can always scoot it back just a touch. All right, I'm drawing multiple lines here. The one in the middle is the one I'm going to go with. I had to make it so that I have enough on the other piece to do the other side of the valley. I really needed two of these because if I cut the valley the way I researched it, I would be cutting it actually up here. Well, I thought, well, I'll cut it here. But because I'll run out of room, I'm actually cutting it here. I'm going to have a little piece here, and I'll show you what I do with it later. And then I'm going to cut here. So right this second, I'm just going to go up here, through here, down this way, and then out. And that's going to be for this first piece. And hopefully it works out. What do you think, Sage? Ultimately, hopefully this will do the trick. I'll go ahead and carry you up there and take a look at the fitment, see how it looks. And I was hoping I could fold in these ends to close this off and then put some sealer on it, because I don't want water rolling down underneath here. So that'll be potentially a problem if I don't do that. So I cut this a little longer so I can actually work with some of that. Well, we'll check it out once we get it back up there, because I'll do my final cutting up there. Definitely can come down like so. Now what I could do is cut here so this can close off that gap. I can do the same with this one over it. That way when this other one comes up, it has a clear path. Further. I could be doing this all totally wrong. So don't go by what I'm doing. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So I should have brought pliers up here. It would have been safer. Yeah, I don't have them on me. There we go. This makes a much nicer closure. So that's all nice and closed. I just need to seal in there. But I'm going to get my other one in place. Once everything's in place, I'll be sealing the other end too. I'm going to try to do a better job up there, down there. But this will be completely sealed off. There'll be no way to get anything in there. Let's go ahead and put one in here. All right. I eyeballed it for down there. If after the metal's up, if I have to do any trimming, I'll just try to figure it out before I anchor the metal. But I just thought it'd be easier this way and get everything done up here. Kind of preliminary. The twine fell off down there, otherwise I'd have been fine. So it's just a tough angle, I think, more than anything. I'm going to try and create a fold over again. But first things first. Ooh. I got this from my friend's place in Goldendale that I was at, scrub oak. I'm going to make a handle out of both of these. One's an inside handle, one's going to be an outside handle. So I'll end up cutting these and making a landing for them to be screwed to it. And those will be the handles of this door. Okay, I went ahead and just tried a couple of the pieces and trial and error. Set them up here and cut them instead of making new wood. And I think I got it to work, so let's find out here. Let's go ahead and set these in and then just making sure the grain's running in the right direction. Alright, so I'm going to use these little trim screws here. And they're for wood cabinets and stuff. So I thought I'd use those and sink them down a little bit, and I'll use some of that stainable putty on them. So I thought I'd start out getting this kind of positioned the way I want it, and it looks like it's fairly close. So this is Preserva wood stain. It's Tahoma brown, and you can see that there. There you go, Tahoma brown. Just in case you like it. little I have left to help hold it. The reason I'm doing the glue is because I don't have as many screws. I think I'm only going to be able to put 3 or 4 in each one of these. Gotta level it before I can even put that screw in place, really. And I'm hoping I got enough clearance. I got a piece of block right here. I'm worried that it's gonna get in the way of the chimney, but we'll find out. This rope's in my way. Okay. There we go. Nice. So we'll go grab the other chimney. Let's get this on there. Hopefully you can see this okay. This thing leveled out. Alright, now go back that way. We got a good burn started here. I need to seal the weather collar still, and all right, so you can see that it's burning away really good. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you made it this far and you got to see the door build, the fascias being stained, and the roof being installed, most of it, as well as the chimney and the stack.